Ready to go boarding, man?
Yeah, let's go.
Surely we can find something to do.
I guess. Let's do it.
Either 4 or 5. You can't pull from the top 4. That's what it is. But you can pull anywhere below the bottom or the top 4.
Ain't no way you're gonna be able to do it. No way. Look, Bigfoot. Man.
Wait!
Man, this is the weirdest book I've ever read. The main character dies at the beginning.
What do you mean, man?
Oh.
What you got, man?
What you got?
You gotta go first. 3 jacks. Handful of aces.
Man, I'm awful thirsty. We got anything to drink?
Man, we ain't got much, but we got this Lester's Fixin's Ranch soda.
You mean we ain't got the bacon flavored one?
No, Lester screwed us on that one. Just the ranch.
I ain't having that. Ain't got that.
Rude. Man, Little Debbie.
Little Debbie, little Debbie.
Touches your heart.
Man, I'm starved to death. I don't know if this honey bun's gonna do it for me.
Yeah.
You got anything else we could eat?
Man, I got just what you need if you're hungry. A little bit of protein. Just think. Wait. Let's top it with some black capelin caviar.
A little untraditional for the honey bun, but
That's not all. That's not all. I got some mixed pupa.
well, that's real funny, cause I've got some scorpions.
What? This is gonna be awesome. What's up, Backwoods Broadcast? Hope you've enjoyed the video to this point. But we're about to get back to the Backwoods basics.
Have a little bit of a snack.
We're about to get super, and I mean super, redneck bougie on you.
Backwoods bougie with our backwoods buddies.
Backwoods, oh, that was Backwoods beautiful. So what we've got right
The
now,
backwoods barf after we eat this.
we've got the classic Little Debbie honey bun, 4 ounces of sweet, glazed, juicy goodness.
It smells delicious.
Delicious. What have we done to this? We've taken this caviar, wild caught, imported from Iceland. Iceland
Oh.
is nice.
Well, that makes it much better.
Greenland is covered with ice. I heard that on the Mighty Ducks too.
I've heard it at some point in my life.
Seasoned
It's gotta be
brand.
true.
Neither one of us have had the caviar before, and I'm sure this is bottom of the barrel caviar, but we're bottom of the barrel type people.
We got top of the line honey buns from the gas
We'll
station.
take a holler at that. Not only that, we threw some mixed pupa on there. We've got some sago worms, sage worms.
Sage
We
worms.
got some mealworms. We got all the worms.
We got worms. We got
I ain't got no worms. I'm about to eat
stuff.
some worms and stuff.
Have worms after this, probably.
Worms and stuff gonna make you tough.
Backwoods buddy's gonna barf this up. I don't know.
Country song coming to you, Luke Bryan style. We need a cherry on top.
Sure, okay. I'll throw a nice garnish. You want me to garnish?
Let me
I'll garnish
let me
here.
hold it real quick. This is a
Okay.
scorpion.
Kind of cute.
Kind of cute little scorpion. I had a pet scorpion when I was a kid. It's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
It don't smell like nothing.
I'm not gonna smell
I'm gonna put it right here. This is about to be something. I feel like after this video, after people see this, you're gonna be able to get this at Panera Bread.
Probably. It's
I'm just saying. It's
Some-
wild. They like wild caught stuff.
the healthiest.
Fresh stuff.
Especially this wild caught honey bun.
Alright, you ready?
Caught this from.
Ready to give
Backwoods.
us a backwoods holler?
Yeah.
This is for you, my friend.
This is for you. Cause I don't like doing this.
Ready? Oh, so bad.
Oh God!
I can't stop.
It's
laughing.
delicious. Ah. Yeah, here, I'll eat the honey bun part.
This is great. I love this.
I'm
I love it so much.
you're more of a man than me.
Little Debbie, hostess. Who else makes this stuff? I don't know. Whoever makes a honey bun, you need to get a caviar bug bun. Caviar bug bun in your belly. Fill it full of jelly. This is good. It's good. It's so good.
Oh God! Oh, go out to Walmart and get you some of him. Good.
Caviar, huh? I don't know about this caviar stuff. It made my bugs taste fishy. Ain't nothing worse than a fishy bug.
No.
You used to catch fish on a bug.
I usually eat these all the time.
These bugs?
Yeah, with the caviar is really what threw it off. Well, usually it's just.
I'll tell you what though, if you take a bite of that honey bun by itself, that's some sweet goodness.
That's a normal Tuesday night for me. I think I'm good, man. I think I'm gonna do no more.
You ain't gonna do no more?
Can't do it. Oh God.
It's salty. Caviar's salty. And fishy.
I will try it by itself.
I think you should.
Let's see.
What do you get? It's your pinky stinky with caviar.
Thank you.
How's it taste by itself?
That's actually not god awful.
You know what? I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get one of your sage worms.
I got full on them. Yeah.
I mean, it's not terrible.
This would be a good diet to go on for me.
Yeah, because you wouldn't eat it.
And what I did eat, I would
Yeah.
regurgitate it. Yeah.
No, that's not healthy.
I don't know. Snakes do it all the time.
Snakes are awesome. I love snakes. We should eat a snake.
No, couldn't be any worse than this.
I don't know
I'm
if
game.
you guys know this,
I'm
but
game. Let's do it.
we've had a few videos out there. And this guy, he can handle the hot stuff. And I'm more the gross guy.
You're gonna have to go to Big Jim for these delicious treats.
You know, this isn't terrible. This isn't bad. This is good.
What are you?
Why are you in my mouth?
I'll stick to this delicious water.
Yeah, I mean, this is okay. I'm not going to finish it out. It's not finger licking good. The kernel didn't make it. Somebody lost their tail.
Yeah.
Ooh, that scorpion's crunchy. I don't even remember the scorpion. Everything else kind of overtook it.
It's a mind thing for me. I can't
Mind over matter?
do it. Once that thing crunches, I'm done. Can't do it.
That's understandable. I mean, I get it.
I'm a texture guy.
It isn't for everybody. But hey, it is what it is. But like I do, I try to do this at the end of all of our videos. Try to make myself vomit.
I didn't have to try that hard. It was pretty easy for me.
Thanks for watching, Backwoods Buddies. Hope you enjoyed the build up to this
You're
video.
about to make me just watching you right now. Oh my god.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out our channel. We're pretty interesting folk,
Ugh.
and you guys have a good day.
Yes! Yes! I mean, are you okay? Next time.